Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to change system languages and regional formats on Ubuntu. Navigating an operating system in a non-native language slows you down, but updating these localization tables shifts your menus and date displays instantly. First, open your application dash tray, search for Settings, and click directly on the icon to launch the control panel. Scroll down the primary options menu sidebar layout on the left and click directly on System. Inside, click on the section block row labeled Region and Language. To update your display text, click on Language. A secondary dashboard panel layout will slide open displaying your currently available system dialects. If your preferred language isn't present, click on the prominent Manage Installed Languages button tool sitting at the bottom of the window tray. A System Prompt Package Manager card will launch. Click on Install/Remove Languages, check the box next to your desired language package payload, and click Apply. Input your administrative system password when prompted to authorize the network translation file download. Once the installation completes, head back to the primary language list, click directly on your new language choice to place a checkmark badge next to it, and click Select. Now, to fix your calendar layouts, currency metrics, and measurement systems, look directly below at the configuration row explicitly labeled Formats. Click on Formats, select your exact geographic country configuration from the extensive index list, and click Done. A prominent notification banner strip will pop up at the top of your dashboard screen stating that changes will take effect after the next login. Click on the Restart button tool within that banner, or manually log completely out of your desktop session profile and log back in. Upon reloading, the desktop environment framework will instantly display a secondary confirmation prompt layout asking whether you want to update your home directory folder names to match your new language. Click Update Names to fully lock down your clean, newly localized system layout environment. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.